Hey you guys, we are back today with another collaboration here for the 12 days of Christmas. Day 5, Snowman. I'm actually running super late on all my videos today, but we're going to talk about this now. The host is Brenda at Rustic and Lays DIY and Jackie from Crafting in Mimi's World. I'll have the playlist linked down in my description box, you guys. Here are the days of, if you'd like to screenshot that, but don't forget to watch everybody that I linked down in the playlist. Now I have 3 of those snowflakes, a wood circle here, scrapbook paper, some embellishments. We're going to use a glue stick here to adhere down the paper. And I'm going to use this X-Acto knife to trim that off. We're going to use the Distressed Oxide ink and give that a good coat. Just like that. See how rustic that looks? I love that. We're going to use these Tombow markers, you guys. I'm going to do the nose, the eyes, and the buttons and the hat. Now, I didn't really care for like the coverage that the markers were giving me. It kind of looked faded and not popping, I guess. So I do go back over top of those later with my Posca pens, but you'll see that here shortly. Okay, you see how it's kind of giving that faint look, but this I got for $1. I'm pretty sure it was at the Dollar General, you guys. And here's where I use those Posca pens, but here I went around the door on there because the edging was just like that light brown that looked unfinished. So I'm just going to use this brown marker, and I'm not doing it perfectly. It's kind of like just haphazardly. And then I am going to do it perfectly around the bless sign to give it that dark rustic look there. Okay, and then of course I'm going to run out of glue, so I have to grab a glue stick here, and we're going to glue down the snowman. I think this turns out so cute, you guys. So I have this snow chalk paint, but it was pretty old. So the only other white I pretty much have is gesso in my stash. So I'm going to use some of it here. And I'm pretty sure this is the Master's Touch brand from Hobby Lobby. And I do give this like 2.5 coats of that like fake snow looking effect. And then I have this piece that we're just going to glue down and make the snowman look like he has a scarf. And you guys, that paper with the white gesso paint over there, I am going to use that in another video that I'm going to actually have playing after this video. So check that out if you would please, and see what I do with those book papers. I think you'll love it. So that's a scrap piece of paper that I used from another project. I will link that right up here in the iCards up in the right hand corner if you want to check that out. And this is little pieces that I tore off or cut off of those little snowflakes. Here I'm going around that paper just to like give it a window effect, and I am going to do the window lines like in the center and across. But before I do that, we're going to rustic up these snowflakes. Like I said, one of those snowflakes I cut up to make the arms for my snowman. That's what I was doing over there to the left. But here is where I noticed that I needed to finish off the window look. Love it. Love it. I should have put snow, I think, on the window. What do you think? Now, you guys, these glasses are so cute. I have been crafting with them like so many things this year, and I'm almost out of them. I need to go find me another pack soon because these things are too stinking cute, and you can get those at Hobby Lobby. Wait till they have those nice like little percents off. You know, it's always nice to pick up stuff then. So this little pic here is also from Hobby Lobby. We're going to give the hat some life because it was looking a little sad with, you know, no festive vibes on it. So we're going to spruce them up here and put that on there. I'm also going to cut off one of these little berries here, and we're also going to hot glue it to the hat. What do you guys think so far? I think this turned out absolutely adorable, especially with those little glasses. Like I said, I've been so addicted to them, you guys. They are so cute. And I could have totally done this in a journaling page as well. I thought about it, but instead I went and grabbed this little wood round I have in my stash because this is stinking cute. What do you guys think? Those glasses, I'm going to be, yeah, you guys may get sick of them glasses on my channel because they're just absolutely adorable. You guys, we want to say God bless you and thank you for watching. Don't forget to watch the playlist down in my description box of everybody that joined the playlist. And you can tap my picture here to subscribe to my channel, or you can watch another video to get inspired. But until next time, we will see you guys on the next day. It's coming soon. These days are flying by already. God bless you guys.